How to share screen on Microsoft Teams. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to share your screen on Microsoft Teams. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and join a meeting. Once you're in, look at the bottom toolbar and click on the Share Content button. This is the icon with an upward arrow. Now you'll see three options for sharing. 1. Screen. Select this option if you want to share everything on your screen, including open apps, browser tabs, and anything else you want on your desktop. This is perfect if you need to show your entire workflow or multiple applications at once. 2. Window. Choose this option when you want to share just one specific app or window. This helps to keep focus on the task at hand without showing other tabs or apps you might have open. For example, if you want to share a Word document or a browser window without distractions, this is the best choice. Number 3. Chrome tab. This is useful if you want to share a specific browser tab such as website or an online presentation. It also allows you to share browser audio, which is important for videos or any audio playing from your tab. After selecting the option you want, click Share to begin sharing your screen. When you're done, click Stop Sharing at the top of the screen to stop sharing. And that's how you share your screen on Microsoft Teams. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more helpful tutorials.